Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blend images here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blending images here in Adobe Express is a simple process involving layering and adjusting transparency or using creative tools to merge two or more images seamlessly. Now, although Adobe Express doesn't have a direct blend mode like Photoshop, you can achieve similar effects using these steps. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just click the templates and get inspired to these thousands of amazing designs. If you want to start from scratch, just click this button right here so you can upload your own content. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific design. I'm going to click the add a new page wherein I'm going to put images here on the media. All right, so I'm going to copy one image from my design and put it here. Right, on the images here, on the media, say I'm going to be choosing this ladies right here, or maybe this cat. Now I'm going to make this on the, I think we're just going to be using this two images for now. I'm gonna maximize this image. And one option is for you to be able to blend the images together is using the opacity. All right, I'm going to turn this one right here. You see that? Now they have been blended together, right? So blend mode, really. That's one way. So try to reduce the opacity so you can like overlay the images. Another option is you see on the blend option here, you can choose from any of these. You can try to screen like this one, or try to multiply, or go for the normal, which is going to be nothing, no effect, right? So let's try this again. Multiply, screen, and of course normal. So these are going to be some of your options. All right, so turn the opacity down right here, and then add more elements along the way. For example, this one right here at the back, make it like this is going to be the background thing. Set it to the backward so you have all these blended together. All right, or if you want, let's try to create a new one right here. Go to the images, click on this later right here, and another image, for example this. And if you want them to blend together, all I'm gonna do is multiply right here. You see that? So the two images have been blended well together, right? That's one of the easiest way to do it. Once you're happy, click on the download option and click the file that you wanted, say for example PNG, JPEG, PDF, or MP4 if you want it. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.